Hello everyone, welcome back to English pronunciation with Mr. Habbas. In the last lesson, we talked about short A and long A sounds. And today we are going to look at short E and long E sounds and how to pronounce them in English. As you all know, vowels are very important, okay? Before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. And now, let's get started. I'm going to start with short E. So, short E makes a sound like a. It's a. Like in these words. Like in n, pen, pen, ed, red, red, et, met, met, est, best, best. Pen. Whose pen is this?
It's yours.
Yes, it's mine. Very nice. Red.
Red is my favorite color.
Very nice. Met. Have we ever met?
Yes, we have.
Yes, of course. Best. You are my best friend.
Thank
Very
you so much.
nice. Okay, here, let's see the long E sound. Long E makes E. E. And of course, here we have different ways on how we pronounce the long E sound. Let's see here the first one. Words with double E make long E sound, like in for E, free, free, e, see, see.
I'm free today. Can I come to see you?
Yes, sure. What about tomorrow afternoon?
Sounds great.
Very nice. So here the sound is long. It's E, okay? Very nice. Number 2, words with E consonant E. E consonant E make long E sound, like in the ease, these, eat, compete, compete.
I would like to compete and win.
Very nice. Number 3, words with EA make long E sound, like in clean, 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 eat, read, read. Can you read this word, please?
Yes, I can.
So it's
read.
Very nice. Read. Yes. Number 4, some words end in EY. So here the sound is gonna be long E sound. Like in these two words, journey, journey, key, key. Where's my key?
Your keys are on this chair.
Okay, give me it.
Here you go.
Yes, so this is my key. Very nice. Okay, number 5, words, some words of course, end in Y, make long E sound, like in these two words, pretty, pretty, and we have happy, happy. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Yes, very nice. Of course, here the sound is not strong. So the sound here in these two words is like the short I. So here the sound is like E. E. Pretty. Happy. Pretty and happy. Very nice. Number 6 here. Words with IE make long E sound, like in field, 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 ease, peace, peace. Hey, Mansur, would you like a piece of cake?
Yes, I would.
Yes, very nice. Okay, here we have number 7. Short E makes long E sound. How? In the open syllable. What does an open syllable mean? An open syllable means when a vowel comes at the end of a syllable, not closed by a consonant. Let's see how in these words. Number 1, we have evil, evil, even, even. So here the sound is long. We have long E sound, and this is initial sound, meaning the long E is at the beginning of these two words, in the first syllable, of course. So evil and even. Number 2, we have female, female, legal, legal, and this is medial sound, meaning in the middle of these words. Fee, lee. Okay, very nice. Number 3, we have be, be, he, and we, and this is final sound, meaning long E sound is at the end of these words. Okay, very nice. So short E and long E are done for today. Okay, next video we are going to talk about short I and long I. Okay, I hope this lesson was useful for everyone, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please come back for more lessons on this channel, English with Mr. Habbas. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.